Welcome to Choose Onustec Machines. 1. Installation. A. Adjust the horizontal level. B. Connect electric source. Blue neutral wire and brown, black, white live wires. And yellow-green ground wire. First, connect blue neutral wire. Please connect ground wire while operation. Turn on the electricity. C. Connect the air source. Make sure the air pressure is between 0.6 to 0.8 MPa. D. Adjust the hydraulic force. Please make sure the number 68 hydraulic oil exceeds the level. Now please check the hydraulic force. Please loosen the silver color knob. Step on left then right pedal. It'll show the hydraulic force. Normally, it should exceed 100. If it's not big enough, please loosen the black nut of pressure. Then rotate the black pressure knob clockwisely. Please step on the left pedal and then right pedal to check it again. Keep on stepping the right pedal. In this way, we can adjust the pressure visibly. After adjustment, please lock it. 2. Operation. A. Turn on the machine power. Release the emergency stop. Start the hydraulic system. Check the live wires connection. If the crimping head rises up after stepping on left pedal, it means the live wires connections are correct. If not, change any 2 live wire connections. B. Crimping adjustment. Move away the 2 clamping cylinders. Move away the auxiliary locking device for safety. There are 4/6, 8, 10 mm dual crimping blades. Select the crimping blades as per profile's rib distance and remove the rest blades. B. Crimping head positioning block adjustment. Step on the left pedal continuously. The crimping head will rise up and forward. Turn the knob to left down off. Step on the left pedal again. The crimping head will go back. Press the emergency stop for safety. Adjust the lower positioning block close to the bottom profile rib. Adjust the upper positioning block close to the top profile rib. Make sure there's gap to avoid scratch. Then lock them by screws. Try again the distance, and make sure the profile can slide. After that, press green button to start hydraulic system. Turn the knob to down on. The crimping head will go down, then turn off hydraulic. C. Crimping blades adjustment. There are 4, 6, 8, 10 mm crimping blades. Select the blades as per the corner cleat. We select 4 and 8 mm blades for the hollow cleat. Make sure the blades are near the profile ribs. And leave the gap to avoid scratches. Lock it after adjustment. It's the same for the crimping blades at right side. D. Crimping distance adjustment. Measure the distance of 2 outer points of cleat grooves. This distance is 48 mm, so we adjust the digital ruler to 24 mm each. After adjustment, please lock them. Turn it 1 turn with the wrench. Now turn the knob to down on and start hydraulic. The crimping blades go back. Please keep on stepping the left pedal until the crimping head in position. Now try to put the corner cleat in position. Adjust the crimping head position by the knob in front. Lock it once the blade's angle is aligned to the outer groove point. Turn the knob to test in middle. Step on right pedal. Put the corner cleat in position. Measure the thickness of profile. It's 2 millimeters. Turn the front knob. Until the gap distance is around half profile thickness, 1 millimeter. Lock the screw. After adjustment, please make sure step on the left pedal first. The crimping head will go down, and turn the knob to down on. E. Positioning fork adjustment. Assemble the corner cleat, and put it in position. Turn back the positioning forks. Select the fork as per your profiles. This profile is suitable for short one. Make sure the fork height is the same as profile. Put the corner here, and step on left pedal. The crimping head will forward in position. Pull back the corner, and adjust the position of positioning forks. Lock it when the fork touches the corner profiles. When you crimp long profiles, please use the 2 side positionings. E. Working. Before formal crimping, please turn back the 2 cylinders. Turn on the cylinder switches. Put the corner in position and hold it. Step on the left pedal. Then step on the right pedal to crimp. 1 corner crimping is finished. Thanks for watching.